Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Make sure you know the phone model and OS version, because menus differ. Sign into the same Google or Apple account on the device and on a computer. That sync lets you pull history. Once done, enable location, screen time, or digital well-being and allow backups so records exist. Now open the account settings and navigate to privacy or data download. This starts the retrieval process. You'll continue next. Now you request and extract the actual logs. For Android, use Google Takeout to select location history, search, and Chrome. For iPhone, request an Apple privacy data download. On the device, open screen time or digital well-being to view app-by-app usage and set the date range, and review call and message logs in phone and messages. Once you export to JSON or CSV, transfer files to a computer to parse timestamps and filter by app date or location for a clearer timeline. Finish by organizing and validating the history you extracted. You'll open CSV or JSON exports in a spreadsheet or run a small script to sort by timestamp, then label sessions and identify heavy use periods. Make sure to verify sync status and backup retention if entries are missing. Sometimes you must re-request an archive or check a different account. If you still face gaps, toggle sync, wait for a new backup, and retry. Finally, securely store or delete copies and respect privacy rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.